Yo, yo! Today I bring you guys something different. We're going to talk about Habibi Kush. It's a new place, man. I taste the food. Awesome. Yo, this is Pousye. You're watching the Pousye Show. Yo, yo! Yo, today is a crazy day because I'm back with another video. But this video is going to be different because I'm inside right now, one of the secret places. But I'm going to talk to you about it. What's up, man?
How you doing, my brother?
What do we have here?
What we have Habibi Kush.
What is Habibi Kush? What is it?
What's Habibi Kush? Habibi Kush is my restaurant. It's a Middle Eastern food.
Middle Eastern, right?
Yes. Egyptian descent.
Okay.
You know. We cook everything fresh ingredients every day. You know, everything is handmade. You know, and what's Habibi Kush is come and relax. Habibi, come and relax.
Come and relax. I like that. And what is your name?
My name is Mino. Mino, Georgia.
Okay. So we located on 79th Street, right?
Yeah, 930 Northeast 79th Street.
How long you been here?
I've been here 1 year right now so far, open. Last week was an 1 year anniversary. And we're rock and roll, man. It took me 2.5 years to build it. I built a place between me and my friends, Rick, Rusty, my brother Mark, Michael, you know, our awesome neighbors, Brickle Construction. And we've been blessed, man. Built a whole place from second hand, which is Offer Up. Everybody knows Offer Up, you know. And we've been awesome, rock and roll.
That's good. Listen, the thing is I drive every day in front of that place. I never notice it. So I don't know if because of the sign, the food, everything is. So we're gonna try. Listen, it's kind of crazy here. So can we see some food later on? Even taste the food and everything like that?
Yes, we're gonna spoil you with the falafel, the like marshmallow, the homemade falafel, you know, hummus, baba ganoush, the lamb kebab. Gonna walk you in the kitchen and show you how we do all this kind of stuff.
Guys, I'm gonna take you behind the scene, inside the kitchen to see what's going on inside the kitchen. Listen, 2 weeks ago I've been here, their food is awesome. You gotta taste it yourself. So, do you have a secret recipe or are you a chef? What is going on?
Recipe is my mom, grandma, and my aunt. You know, I grew up cooking this food. I started cooking when I was 6 years old.
6, wow.
I'll tell you a funny story. My first cooking lesson. My mom asked me if I can wash the rice. I poured half a gallon of dishwasher soap on the top of the rice.
Hey, they wash the rice. The rice is washed, right?
That was my first lesson.
They didn't ask you how
6 years old.
They didn't ask you how to do it. You just do it, right?
Yeah. So that's the best part. But I'm so blessed to be able to carry over my grandmother and my mother recipe. Yeah, so this is what we have right now. So this is a chicken shawarma. It's made from fresh. We put it on a vertical boiler, the shawarma machine. This is the beef shawarma, you know. And right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry some awesome falafel. So these are Egyptian falafel. So what it is basically a vegetarian patty. So chickpeas, fava beans, parsley, cilantro, leeks, onion, garlic. We grind everything together. Now we're gonna drop it in the fryer for a couple of minutes, you know. And after that, we're gonna make you some falafel sandwiches. So now we got but what we're trying to do, we try to infuse it with different countries. Like we have Egyptian poutine. Poutine is a Canadian dish, you know. We have an Egyptian empanadas, you know, stuffed in the pita bread, which is a Latin thing. Since we are in the Miami and we have so much diversity from everybody all over the world, So we're infusing it and we're adding more stuff. We're adding a pomegranate ceviche. We're adding a spring roll with short ribs, you know, and we just rock and roll, man. Just keeping the diversity and just passing well.